There is a 100% chance I will take a trade on Tesla tomorrow.
Would it be beneficial to you if I showed you an incredibly easy, super simple day trading strategy that I used to make a nice trade on Tesla today? If so, stay tuned for this video.
All right, boys and girls, I'm going to keep this as simple as I can to help enrich your life as it relates to trading, cash flow, and making money actively trading in the markets. First and foremost, I use the 3-minute chart for my day trading is number one. Number two, what I'm looking for is a bull candle to close below the 10 EMA or a bear candle to close above the 10 EMA. I'm looking for the very first one. This is a strategy that you can get absolutely complimentary at reallifetrading.com. This is where you can go, log in, click on your account, sign up, and then just scroll down. Boom, totally complimentary for you. 10 EMA strategy. Add that, and this is exactly what I've been using to carve out consistent wins all year long. Before I hop into the actual trade analysis from today, let me show you the pre-analysis that I did, which I do every day from 5 to 6 p.m. Eastern in the swing trading room here at Real Life Trading. All right, Tesla came out with earnings, and they are gapping up a little bit. So what I'll do is buy to close this guy, buy to close this guy. I'll hold on to this guy just in case something silly happens, and I'll watch it all day tomorrow, and Tesla's going to be a lot of fun on a Thursday. There is a 100% chance I will take a trade on Tesla tomorrow. Bullish or bearish, don't know, don't care. But I will take the R that I made from these put sales and these call sales, and I will put it into a trade that's maybe make more than that. If I go back to the charts, let's look at it, and we'll see this is actually the first bull candle here that closed below the 10 EMA on the extended hours time frame, but you'll see on the non-extended hours it did not. So the very first bull candle to do that was this candle right here. And here's what it looked like at the time, right at the low of the day, right at that support, interacting with that 10. Beautiful. It was obviously closing below this as well. And then it got absolutely squashbuckled. That was the entry. Then you had an inside candle and then just really just dropped nicely. Now, I actually almost exited a little bit here because you know when you're trading bearish, especially on Tesla, buy low, sell high, right? Cover at new lows. Didn't decide to walk away. I was like, man, this is going to be a great trade. Let me walk away and see how much I can get because my target was 1037.18. If you're wondering why that particular target, that was really just right around or very, very close to the high of day from yesterday. That was it. Nothing special. Plus, I was right about 2 Rs for the day on Tesla, or 2% or $10,000, depending on how much you're trading, how much your risk is on Tesla. So team, that was it. That is the strategy. That was the setup. Bang, bull candle below the 10, boom, shorted below it, put a stop above the prior bear candle above the 10 EMA, and then just let it just absolutely get toasted. Now, if you did not catch that trade, if you did not set that trade up, or if you missed it, the second opportunity would have absolutely, without question, once this really good bull candle comes in right here, the next candle is a humongous bear candle, and then tiny, tiny little bull candle there. I mean, this is an hour and 15 minutes after market open. So there is zero reason not to take this trade. Entry here, stop loss right there, absolute wrecking ball, Miley Cyrus style. So I hope that this was a beneficial video for you. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content that produces on a weekly basis to help you create cash flow for your family from the stock market. You are amazing. You are fantastic. You are transformationally transcendent, and I will see you in the next video. You rock. Goodbye.
Bing, bong, boom. Done. Easy, simple, clean, efficient. You are amazing. Thanks for watching.